Hey there! Welcome to Visual Vocab English. Ready to master some everyday clothing word through a fun little story? Let's dive in and make English easy and enjoyable. Sophie wanted a new outfit for her friend's birthday party, so she decided to go shopping. She found a stylish shirt and pants that matched perfectly. Then she tried on a beautiful dress but decided to save it for another day. She picked a pair of shiny shoes to complete her look. At the checkout, she spotted a cozy jacket and a soft scarf that she couldn't resist. On her way home, Sophie felt excited and confident in her new clothes, ready for the party. And that's a word on today's story. Now you've got some stylish vocabulary ready to use. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Join me in the next video for more fun English tips. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious.